very well trained in evasive maneuvers, hand-to-fin combat. Let's watch the expert.
Well, we're at the parking garage for Universal Studios Hollywood, and I definitely made a tactical error. I thought it opened up at 9. It opens up at 10, so I meant to get here early, but we're here extra early. It's 8:43 right now, so we have an hour and 15 minutes before they open. I don't really think we need to be here for this early for rope drop here, but... So the Los Angeles sock market, is that a place where you buy socks at, or is it a place where you just punch people at? Thanks to my lack of knowing when it opens, we have one person in front of us.
Now you got a witness here. For God's sakes now. What's the matter? You're tongue-tied now?
Oh my
God. Don't get
God.
tongue-tied on me now. You got important information you got to parlay here. Oh my gosh.
It won't happen again, officer.
No, go ahead.
Sergeant, it won't happen again.
That's all. You tell them what they need to know.
You're going to let me do that?
Yes.
How many are here?
Whatever you want to say. Whatever it is, make sure they all hear it. Go ahead. Don't choose your words, okay? Do you have any paramedics here? Rob may be having an issue. Are you go ahead?
Are you gonna let me?
Yes, whatever.
All right, you won't say a word.
Go ahead.
All righty.
Don't waste these people's time. They don't have a lot of time.
I understand.
We gotta get in the park and
gotta
play.
let them know the information.
You know what I'm talking about.
All righty.
Don't act like you don't know. Go ahead, get in there. Come on already. Say the words. What do they need to know, Rob?
How many are here? How many are here for the first time? Now we're done.
Okay. Wait, go ahead, keep going.
Oh, thank you so much. Straight ahead on your right is Kung Fu Panda, and that's an interactive film. A lot of fun. Beyond that is, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Now that's the land within itself that shows, shops, rides, restaurants.
For you over there, he's asking how many are here for the first time. Wow! All the way to
you got a voice.
I know, look at that. I thought you had a voice.
Well, yeah, I'm a little choked up right now.
Don't waste time, keep going.
There's 2 rides in Harry Potter. One's
2 rides in Harry Potter!
One's called the Hippogriff.
Hippogriff?
And that's a friendly roller coaster.
It's a friendly roller coaster.
We also have the Forbidden Journey.
And the Forbidden Journey.
High impact motion ride.
High impact motion. What the hell? High impact motion ride? Really? That sounds like my wife's driving. What the heck?
Now it's the best ride I've ever been on, but I was only able to do it once.
Yeah, it's a terrific ride. It's crazy. But, try and have your lunch before. I mean after. Sorry, I'm hungry now.
I'll tell you what.
Go ahead, Rob. Stop.
Thank you so much.
What are you wasting time for?
I don't know why.
Talk.
After Harry Potter, you might want to take the studio tour, and that's
studio tour.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. That's all the sound stages, the sets, also Jaws, Earthquake, King Kong, and Fast and Furious. A lot of fun. Leaves every 5-10 minutes, 45 minutes long. From there, you might want to go down to the lower lot. 3 attractions down there.
Lower lot. 3 attractions. After the studio tour. Studio tour is great. It's loaded with all kinds of stuff. Fast and Furious, King Kong, Earthquake, sound stages, people shooting movies and TV shows. It's crazy. You'll like it. Lower lot, 3 attractions.
Revenge of the Mummy is an indoor roller coaster. It goes 0 to 60 in 1.5 seconds. Everything's in the dark, and it goes frontwards and backwards.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
That sounds like my wife's driving.
I'll tell you what, also in the lower lot we have Transformers, a ride 3D where you actually become part of the ride. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Finally in the lower lot we have Jurassic World, a water ride through Jurassic World.
Jurassic World also in the lower lot. Not Jurassic Park anymore. Jurassic World. We paid a lot of money for that name.
I hear you.
Jurassic World.
Now,
Don't be asking me for Jurassic Park, Jamie. No more. Jurassic World. Yes, go.
Thank you so much. But yeah, Jurassic, it's a water ride that goes through Jurassic World, and at the end there's an 84-foot drop, and then you get wet. That's will come off at Jurassic World also.
I got a little wet before I hit the water last time with that ride falling down here.
Finish your day, maybe up here in the upper lot. Don't forget about Waterworld.
Yes, Waterworld.
Voted the #1 show in California, but a word to the wise, sit in the dry section on that one.
Yeah, well, mostly it's a dry section anyway. Yeah, Water World, stunt show, really incredible. Explosions, fights, men in fishnets.
Well, by golly, folks, we have a great day planned for you. It's going to be nothing but fun.
Yeah.
And in just a few moments, we'll be able to escort you inside. When we do escort you, please stay behind the straw hats. Have a great day and have fun, everyone. Now we're talking.
That.
Yes, I did.
Very nice.
Thank you, thank you, sir. I'll tell you what, folks, that's our cue. Please stay behind the straw hats and let's go have fun today. Now we're talking.
People with me so loud, don't they? Yeah. Due to the layout of Universal Studios Hollywood, it's basically built on top of a hill, so there's two different lots, and you have to take escalators from the top lot down to the bottom lot. This is where we are, and there are some really nice views. It's just unfortunately they're playing some really loud music here, which my camera did an excellent job of picking it up, and it's all copyrighted. So I have to do a voiceover so this video doesn't get taken down because of the copyright. But I still want you to see some of these really nice views that we have of the valley down there. The construction you can see down there is for their upcoming Super Nintendo Land, which they're going to include a Mario Kart ride, which apparently sounds incredible. It's going to be opening up in Japan first in a couple months, and then I don't know exactly when it's going to open up at Universal Studios Hollywood. But that will be a major attendance draw, I'm sure, for this park. I know I, for one, can't wait to be able to ride it, which we either at some point we'll be going back to Hollywood, or once it opens up down in Orlando as well, we might have to go down there as well. But this is some of the lower lot. You pretty much just see the ride buildings down here, like the Mummy and Transformers and Jurassic World to the left of us. But the lower lot is quite a lot of fun. But Katie, how did Miss Scaredy Cat like Transformers?
Oh, stop it. It was fine. It was good.
I enjoyed it. I just rode Jurassic World again, and this time I got a lot more wet than the last time. The first time I rode it, almost all of it was from different effects before you actually go down the big drop. It was mostly, there's a little tiny drop at one point, like when you go up towards there where the big drop's at, and I got drenched on that. And there are a couple water effects that I've been pretty sick beforehand. I think it was just like the drop where I was sitting this time as opposed to last time. But I would have thought that I would have gotten the wettest at the bottom of this drop down here. And I didn't want to take the camera on it because I figured you could get wet, but you are way up there, you're on top of the building, you come down. And that was not where I got wet at. It was everything before that got me wet. So and the way we did it, this is the way you should do Universal, I think. We came down a lower lot. It's been open, what, an hour? Yeah. They have 3 rides down here, the Mummy, Transformers, and Jurassic World. I've been on Jurassic World twice, and I've been on Transformers and Mummy once already. The longest I've had to wait for them was basically the amount of time it would take to walk through the empty line in the ride. So that's pretty good. I wonder if that would change once the Super Nintendo World opens up. Because I know that Universal's pretty convinced they'll have a pretty good ride open. It'll be interesting to see how the reviews are the one in Japan once it opens up this summer.
Alone. For today, we take the battle to them. But first, does everyone see this red and yellow line? Does everyone see the red and yellow line? Excellent. You stand in front of it where it says recruitment zone. Now, let us begin Nest Command. Good morning, my friend. How are you? Excellent. Are you ready for your photograph? Then stand with me. We will upload this.
Hey, no way. Because right now there's utterly no line. It's a decently well themed line. It's not like Star Wars. Well, what? I would probably think they like the Mummy's line better down here than this. But still, it's almost a shame we don't get to enjoy the heating of the line. Or the pre-show. Hey, you hear that, Tater? We're image on a suicide mission. No, I'm going to keep going, because darn it, I want to.
Commodore General Admiral Commander Wheelie. Monitoring on the fences, which you're not holding.
Commodore General Admiral, like that's combining naval and army.
Moving his tail to sector 103.
Well, I guess this is not quite a walk-on, so this is the longest wait we've had to wait in all day. We have to wait until the next people get to the station. Well, we just rode Transformers again. I mean, I enjoy that ride. I mean, it's not like the best ride ever, but I'd definitely go on it again if you come back here. One thing that I forgot to mention when I was on Jurassic World, which I thought was sort of just ironic, is we were at California Adventure earlier this week. Chris Pratt's on a ride there on Guardians of the Galaxy. He's also in Jurassic World. So he's
In two places at once.
yeah, he's like competing in theme parks. So go figure. I think I might go on the Mummy again one last time before we head up to the upper lot. So I know I'm not taking the camera on that because I haven't taken the camera on any of the rides so far. But I mean, it's a fun ride. It's been so long since I've been to Orlando, I can't really compare it because it's been close to 50, actually maybe over 15 years since I've been down to Orlando. No, not 15 years. That was summer of 08. That's not 15 years. That's only 12 years. So I will go on this, and I will see you. I'll leave the camera with the wife, who's doing okay for her fear of thrills.
Slowly but surely.
I just rode the Mummy for my second time, so now I've ridden everything down here at least or twice, so we're going to head on up now, and it's only, what, 11:20? If it shows my camera or not, further on. Zooming in right now is the Warner Brothers lot where we were at yesterday for Conan. And then number 4 is somewhere off this way is the Walt Disney Studio lot. I can't quite tell from the camera, and I'm probably just being stupid and just completely missing it, but it's somewhere off over there.
Looks like it's that white building right next to. I mean, you can kind of see it.
I know we'll be going through this whole area in a little bit at some point today on the studio tour. I don't know when we'll go on that, but that's on our agenda for today. I mean, we have hills back home. And sorry, Dad, these are mountains, not hills. I was talking about the 7 things of Duff or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Sleazy, queasy, surly, tipsy. Bumblebee Man's back there. This is part of the Duck Brewery Gardens, which you might head towards later. Dizzy, remorseful, edgy. Where's the 7th one? I only see 6. Oh no, never mind. There's 4 over there.
That was 7.
I can't count. These are some big arse donuts you're getting. Lard Lad donuts from the Simpsons land. This is probably the biggest single donut I've ever had. Sledgehammer and Crestline. I actually watched a Crestline episode the other day. And I like that Dr. Nix, if you can put it in, you can take it out.
Take it out.
I also like unlicensed for over 2 decades.
Oh, that's convincing.
And then it's Lou and Ed. Or is it Ed? Lou's one. Is it Ed? Is that the second one's name? I haven't a brain for it. So the Quickie Mart, which is over there, it's the Quickie Tart. And Disco's, or Stu's Disco. It's about a 15-minute wait time for the studio tour, which is what we're about to go on, which I've heard. Alright, here we are entering into the line for the Universal Studios Hollywood Studio Tour, which is a great ride, but that is also where we're going to pick up the video on part 2, since it's going to be the end of part 1. And plus, there's a lot of copyrighted music here, you know, to see more views of the mountain. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to us and hit the notification bell. And as always, I really thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, that is that.